which is now, its name is the Dog's Day. So let me tell you the full story. One day, Pip and one girl was there. They was playing ball, like kicking a ball, and Pip was running. Then he slept. Then again he was drinking water. Then he slept. Then when he was eating food, he slept. And then he was washing his hair. Then he slept. Then when he went to the pond, then he slept. And then jumped. Then he slept. Then so all day he sleep. So he's a busy dog. So he sleeps.
Whatever he do,
He sleeps.
he do one thing and sleeps.
He do one thing and sleeps. When he do one thing, then sleeps. When he play ball, then he sleeps. Thank you. The end.